I don't think I have time to dig further into the UI, but there's another piece of work on the data structure that I could probably get done, which is, okay, we're gonna take one line, we know it's at position 5, and we want to move it to position 3. The underlying data structure needs to reorder in that case. So let me go over to SL Spiel, which is the data structure handler, and write the code that moves things around. Okay. Yeah, that's a good suggestion. Yeah, that's actually good. I keep on seeing what it's going to put in here. I think it's nonsense. Here, just don't spoon feed me. Let's just do it all at once, CoPilot. What's your idea? Go ahead. Yeah, do the whole thing. I'm going to evaluate. Whoops. Evaluate what you put in here. Okay. So you said if either of these indexes that we put in are out of range, just return quietly. That's not my style. I don't like to quietly fail like that. Throw error. Yeah, like that. Throw error. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, then you said, here's the node that we want to move. Okay, that's good code. That's good. I'm pretty sure it's going to work. I'm going to write some unit tests for it, make sure it does work. It even remembered to add this little refresh matching at the end. Although, thinking about it a little bit more, refresh matching means that it's going to update the matching rules. Would it be affected by movement of nodes? I don't know that it would, because there's not an introduction of additional matching criteria, and the order of the node placement would differ. So it was a good guess at something to do, but it's a little bit like cargo cult science. They noticed that when the scientists came, they brought a bunch of boxes and cargo, and so they recreated rituals around boxes, but it didn't bring them any more good luck or fortune. So refresh matching in that case is kind of like a superstition that CoPilot brought across because other things had it, and I have to be smart enough to know that the original reason for including this function call is not present in this case. Can't just let CoPilot write all the code for you. Okay, Spiel tests, move node. All right, let's see how good it goes. Nope, don't need that. Don't need that at all. All right. Let's see. Moves a node. Okay. Move node does not change membership of nodes when moving to the same index. Let's do sequence of nodes when moving a node to the same index. It did help me type a little there. CoPilot did. Okay. Oh, we'll see what you actually did. Okay. So it created 3 nodes, A, B, and C. It moved the middle node to the same location, and then it said the first one should be B. Well, no, it said the one that you're at currently should be B, and that would have been correct. And then it called move next to go to the next node and said that should be C. And it called move next again, and if it did move next looped, this probably would have worked. So I believe when I go and look at the test code, when I look at the test results, I believe this expect will fail. So if I go to here, do npm run test, okay, so the first one was unsuccessful, but I kind of don't like how this is written anyways. Let's go to the very beginning, spiel, move first. I just want to check them one at a time. So the first one should be A, second one should be B, third one should be C. And I think it won't work. Oh, no, it did work. Okay. Damn, that's pretty good. Okay. Let me think about this. I did want to actually move a node someplace. Moves a node to the end of the sequence. I like that. Let's see what you got. Okay, let's see what it did. So again, set up 3 nodes, took the first node and it moved it to the end, 0, 1, 2. And then it's looking at this one I did up here, and it's saying let's use that pattern instead of the thing it was doing before. So it moved beginning. It said the first one should be B, move to the next, then it should be C, then it should be A. This is a good test. This is a good test. Test passed. Okay, let's see what it suggests next. Okay, so in this case it moved the last, set up in the same way, then it moved the last node to the beginning. It said C, A, B. That is a good test. And it passed. That was the next one I was going to do. Now, here's where I'm interested. Is it going to try to move? Let's just see what it does. Okay. Bam. 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 Okay, so now it decided that it wanted 4 nodes. I'm okay with that. Doesn't seem like it's anything bad. Okay. So it moved the first node to 2. So it basically did the same thing as this, but it added one more node on the end. Okay, now what would I expect that to look like? It should be BCAD. BCAD. So that looks like a good test to me. Very nice. Very nice.